Here's how you complete the assignment. Toolbar overview part 1 in Pixlr. So you go into Photoshop, the class, toolbar part 1, Pixlr toolbar. Open the toolbar overview part 1 assignment. If you scroll down, here's a video if you need to review what the toolbar does. And here is the link for Pixlr. You need to log in, always, so it saves your stuff. Click Continue with Google. Click on your name. It will take you into Pixlr E. If you somehow get into another Pixlr X, it's not the right one. You should be in Pixlr E. So the first thing you need to do in this assignment is we need to download one of the images from the assignment. And you can pick any of the ones that you want. So just say I want the lion. I'm going to click on the lion to open it up. I'm going to click on these little dots that say More Actions and do Open in a New Window. And then it will allow me to download. Right here is the download arrow. I will download my image, and then I will go back to my Pixlr tab, and I'm going to open the image. So I'm going to open the image, and yours will be in downloads. My screen looks different because I'm on a computer. You're on a Chromebook. You should still click on downloads and find the image name that you opened and open it up. So here is my image. When you do open an image, it becomes the background layer. And in order for you to do anything to the background layer, you have to click on it to unlock it. See, now it's visible. It is no longer locked, but you can make it visible or invisible. But if you see a lock here, click on it to unlock it. So now we're going to go over the toolbar. Oops, sorry. The toolbar is over here. You've got the toolbar, you've got the menu bar up here, and then you have the options. When you're on a different tool, notice the options change. Okay. So, also, if you want to know what a tool does, if you just put your cursor over the tool, a little box will pop up and explain to you what the tool does. The first tool is Arrange. Basically what it does is it moves, you can rearrange your image, move it around, you can change the size of it, you can rotate it, okay? You can do all that manually, or you can look up here. Here's the position. If you want to change the position for some reason with XY coordinates, you can play with the numbers here. Notice it's changing the position on the canvas. Width and height, you can change the width and the height. Here's rotate. If you want to flip the picture, you can use one of these. And animation is new, so you can play with it and see what it does. I'm not sure what they do. I haven't done them yet. Okay, this would be if you want to duplicate the image. Now I got 2 of them. Notice it adds another layer. The thing about this program is it is another layer. Every time you bring in an image, it puts another layer. Now I want to talk about over here. These are your different panels. Navigator panel, layers panel, history panel, animation panel. You really want your navigator and your layers panel to show. Watch. It hid, I clicked on it. I want to bring it back. I bring it back. So the thing to know is as you add more images, it adds more layers. If I don't want it, I can click on it, like the background copy, and just get rid of it. So that's Arrange. Okay. Then we have the marquee tool. This is a selection tool. It will select circles or squares in an image, and you can do something with it. So here's my circle. I hit delete, it deleted a circle. I want to undo it, I can just do undo. A circle, make a circle, it deletes what's ever there. Now these modes, add to selection, new selection, add to selection, remove from selection. That means if you add something, you want to add to the selection, watch what it does. Just adds it. I'm not quite sure about these. You can play with them. They're not that important. So you've got lasso tool. You can always undo under edit. Okay. So here's the lasso tool. This means I can freeform select any weird shape I want. Okay. You've got different ways of selecting it. Polygon, so you can make straight lines, where you straight line and click, straight line and click, straight line and click. So you can play with these. Like I said, the different tools give you different choices. And then there's my personal favorite one, the magic wand tool. What this does, it selects area with similar colors. So if I click right here in the yellow, notice it took out the yellow. If I click over here with the white, it takes out the white. It's attached colors. So 3 different ways to select: shape, freeform, color. Okay. Edit, undo, gets rid of things. Okay. Crop tool. You can cut part of an image. Click on the image. Notice it's taking the whole image canvas because we resize this. So if I want to crop something else, this is going to crop it out of the whole image. So, okay, maybe I want to get rid of all the extra stuff now that I've resized my image and it's the size I want. I just click and drag at any one of these points here. When you're ready, hit enter, and now your image size has changed. Okay, that's crop.